Hi, once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Today, we have something really exciting for all you travelers out there. It's the EPICKA Travel Adapter TA-105. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next trip, this little gadget might just become your best travel companion. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. First things first, inside the box, we have a user manual, a nice carrying case, 2 USB-C adapters, 2 extra fuses, and the EPICKA Travel Adapter itself. The carrying case is a great addition, keeping everything organized and easy to pack. Here's the main unit. The adapter is designed to work in over 150 countries, so whether you're in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, this has got you covered. You'll notice it has 4 different plug types: US, UK, EU, and AU. Switching between them is easy. Just slide the appropriate lever and the plug pops out. It's perfect for those multi-country trips. One of the standout features of the TA-105 is the number of USB ports. It has 4 2.4 amp USB-A ports, 1 3 amp USB-C port, and 1 AC socket. This means you can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously at high speed, which is a lifesaver when you're on the go and need to keep your gadgets powered up. Safety is always a concern with travel adapters. EPICKA has got you covered here as well. The adapter comes with built-in safety shutters, surge protection, and an 8 amp overload dual fuse. These features ensure that your devices are protected from unexpected power surges. So that's it for the EPICKA Travel Adapter TA-105. It's compact, versatile, and packed with features that make it an essential travel accessory. If you're planning on a trip soon or just need a reliable adapter for international travel, this could be a great choice. Once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Thanks for watching.